Well, hey everybody, this is Jerry Wagner and welcome to Bosch Bits, sponsored by Keystone Sales and Associates. In today's bit, I want to talk about a really unique feature of the Bosch mini split, and that is the automatic wiring correction function. One of the most common installation errors is to wire the indoor unit with the 14-4 cabling to the incorrect wiring terminal of the outdoor unit. By pressing and holding the check button for 5 seconds, which is on a board just to the left of the wiring terminals on the outdoor unit, this will put the system into the self-correcting function. The LED screen of the outdoor unit is reading the hertz to the compressor. Now we'll press the check button until the LED screen reads CE, which is the automatic wiring correction function. CE will appear on the LED screen for up to 5 to 10 minutes as the unit goes through the automatic wiring correction function. After the function is completed, you'll see the LED screen of the outdoor unit go to 00. Now the system will start its normal operating function with the delay of the compressor for the standard 3 minutes. Once the 3-minute delay for the compressor to be energized is completed, you'll begin to see the hertz increase to the compressor as indicated by the number on the LED screen. If you listen carefully, you can actually hear the outdoor unit ramping up as the number on the screen increases. I want to emphasize that the automatic wiring correction function will only correct issues where you have miswired the indoor unit to the wrong wiring terminal of the outdoor unit. It cannot correct a situation where you have wired terminal 1 of the indoor unit to terminal 2 of the outdoor unit. In that scenario, you'll see the error code EL01 displayed at the LED board of the outdoor unit.